What's the meaning of addle? Addle. 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 The word addle means to make someone or something confused or muddled. When something is addled, it has lost its clarity and coherence, making it difficult to understand or function properly. This can refer to a variety of situations, such as a person's mental state, the quality of an idea or argument, or the effectiveness of a system or organization. The end result of addle is a lack of clarity and direction, which can lead to confusion, frustration, and inefficiency. It is important to avoid addle in order to maintain clear thinking and effective functioning.